We got one going in the tree. We got 2, 3, all of them. Yeah, they're all going in the trees, Nick. That didn't touch anybody. Hey, they're all sitting in the back.
We got 1 of the trees, 2 of the trees up. Fuck, they're all in the trees.
Nick, they're all in the back.
I'm gonna go by Nick, I think.
Black, are you out?
He's walking in the barn. He's not.
There's 3 in the barn. Think so.
He's not gonna hit shit in the way.
Let's go wipe down 3 trees, Aaron.
Guys, don't sit in here.
We'll all get home. No problem. Keep down there.
There's some point when it comes this way again. Sam ran right past me. I was like, boom, boom, boom. Probably hit him 3 or 4 times.
You just gotta kill a guy.
Sorry.
Oh.
Is he out? Oh shit, that kid's not dead. I unloaded a whole pistol mag into him and me.
Everyone's dead?
No, I think you got 1 left. But oh, you're in a bad situation, lady.
Think so?
No, so.
That's a bad angle. Is everybody else out?
Yep. Careful, careful. Which side is it?